In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and manage read receipts in Gmail, a handy feature that ensures you're informed when your emails are opened. Setting this up is straightforward, whether it's for personal use or improving communication in a professional setting. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account, so go to your preferred web browser and type in gmail.com. Once you're logged in and you can see your inbox, navigate to the settings gear icon located on the upper right side of your screen. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, choose See All Settings to gain access to the full array of configuration options available to you in Gmail. Once in the Settings menu, look for the Advanced tab. It's typically the last option on the right among the Settings tabs. Advanced settings allow you to enable or tweak experimental features that aren't switched on by default. Scroll through this section until you find the option labeled Read Receipts. This feature, when activated, allows you to send and request read receipts for your emails. Carefully read the description to ensure it meets your needs, then check the box or toggle the switch to enable this feature. Now that read receipts are active, it's time to save these changes. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh automatically, applying your new settings. This ensures that your account now supports sending and receiving read confirmations. Keep in mind, though, requesting a read receipt doesn't guarantee you'll receive one. The recipient can choose whether to respond to the request, so be prepared for some emails to go unconfirmed. It's also worth noting that for personal Gmail accounts, read receipts are primarily available for Google Workspace accounts rather than standard free Gmail accounts. Therefore, if you're using Gmail in a professional domain or educational setting, you might have access based on your administrator's settings. For those of you who are administrators on a Google Workspace account, you can control whether users can request read receipts or not. This involves accessing the admin console and navigating to Apps, then Google Workspace, followed by Gmail. Within User Settings, you'll find a section for read receipts where you can allow or restrict this feature for your organization. And there you have it. Whether you're ensuring project updates have been seen or just want to verify your message was read, setting up read receipts in Gmail is a valuable tool for enhancing your email communications. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.